Stop wasting money. We all know the fear. Buying a used car that becomes a financial nightmare. Today, we're cutting through the noise and revealing the absolute truth about smart buying. These are 5 reliable, low-maintenance legends that the average buyer ignores, but which professional mechanics actively hunt for. We've consulted Consumer Reports and NHTSA data to bring you models with known longevity and minimal issues, so you can buy once and never worry again. Stay with us, and we'll show you exactly how to join the ranks of the smart money. We start our list with the foundation of smart money buying, the Honda Civic sedan, specifically the 2011 through 2015 model years. If the average buyer is chasing fleeting style, the savvy buyer is chasing longevity and cost savings. This generation Civic, particularly with the 1.8-liter engine, is known as a high-mileage hero that regularly sails past the 250,000-mile mark with only basic care. It's the definition of simplicity. There are no complicated turbos, and the traditional automatic transmission is durable, which dramatically cuts down on the anxiety of expensive repairs like transmission swaps or major engine work. This car is the standard bearer for low-cost ownership. It was a Kelley Blue Book Best Buy winner and earned a 5-star safety rating from NHTSA, offering peace of mind to the conservative buyer. You want to look for the reliable 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with the 5-speed automatic transmission. The only minor complaint you might find is that some interior plastics feel a little cheap, but that's a small price to pay for the massive financial security it offers. According to Repair Pal, the annual average maintenance cost for a Civic is famously low, letting you keep your money in your pocket instead of feeding the mechanic. As of mid-2025, you can find high-mileage versions of this reliable sedan for between $6,000 and $12,000 on sites like Cars.com or Car Gurus. This car is not about speed, it's about avoiding breakdowns and gaining that essential peace of mind. Next up, we look at a domestic choice that offers exceptional value, often overlooked because many buyers focus exclusively on established foreign names. The Buick Encore SUV, model years 2013 through 2016. If you desire the comfortable, quiet ride of an American classic but need the practical size of a modern compact SUV, this is your secret weapon. For years, the average buyer has underestimated Buick, but data shows that Buick consistently ranks high in long-term dependability and quality. This directly addresses the fear of buying a modern American car that will fall apart. The Encore from this generation gives you a near-premium insulated cabin, often compared favorably to Lexus in its quietness. It uses simple, proven components, and in the mass-market brand category, has demonstrated strong reliability scores. It is an easy-to-manage SUV that brings back the nostalgia of a comfortable American car without the oversized headaches of a full-size model. We recommend the 1.4-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission. The only thing you need to remember is that because it is a compact SUV, you won't get the same massive cargo space as a larger vehicle. However, the payoff is a dependable, high-quality driving experience with great safety ratings. Look for well-maintained examples on sites like AutoTrader and Cars.com. You will often find prices in the $8,000 to $14,000 range as of mid-2025, offering a fantastic balance of value and no worries. Now we come to the true hidden gem, the one the professionals hunt for while the average buyer is looking at the wrong model. The Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, covering the 2014 through 2017 model years. This is the ultimate smart money car because it allows you to get past the serious anxiety surrounding the reliability of some standard gasoline engines in this generation. The average person avoids these Sonatas because they've heard about chronic problems, which keeps the price low for the smart buyer. The secret is the powertrain. While many standard 2.4-liter engines from this era had well-publicized issues, the hybrid models use a completely different, highly dependable 5th-generation system. Mechanics often praise these hybrid setups for their robust nature and lack of the chronic issues plaguing the non-hybrid models. It gives you legendary fuel efficiency and long-term peace of mind, fulfilling the desire to buy once and never worry again. You must specifically target the hybrid version with its 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and electric motor. The look is the large, quiet, comfortable sedan style introduced in 2015. You need to confirm the history of the high-voltage battery. However, the savings you'll make in gasoline and avoiding major engine repairs often make the Sonata Hybrid a fantastic deal. Finding a well-cared-for example will typically run between $9,000 and $15,000 as of mid-2025, offering you a sophisticated car and an intelligent financial victory. Moving on, we come back to a traditional domestic workhorse, the Chevrolet Equinox SUV, covering the 2010 through 2015 model years. For the middle-class buyer who needs practicality, space, and simple parts availability, this Equinox is a savvy choice that avoids the modern complexity that causes so many headaches. This generation is a straightforward SUV that delivers the classic American motoring feel, appealing to that desire for tradition and robust dependability. This generation of Equinox, which shares its underpinnings with the GMC Terrain, is an excellent pick for long-term ownership. It has a high profile on the road, a comfortable ride, and its large production numbers mean parts are readily available and affordable, drastically lowering your annual ownership cost anxiety. While not the most luxurious, it's a car built for continuous, practical use, easing the fear of being left without reliable transportation. We highly recommend the 3.0-liter or 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission. While the 4-cylinder engine may offer better fuel economy, the V6 is generally regarded by many experts as being a more robust and less stressed option for long-term durability. You should be aware of some earlier complaints regarding excessive oil consumption in some of the smaller 4-cylinder engines, which is another reason to favor the V6. However, even with minor issues, its simplicity and widespread availability mean that repairs are rarely budget-breaking. You can find these dependable SUVs for prices ranging from $7,000 to $13,000, depending on the mileage, as of mid-2025, making it a solid, reliable choice for the family. If you have ever owned a car that hit 300,000 miles, you understand the value of pure peace of mind. To help us keep revealing the forgotten cars the smart money hunts for, help this community grow. Like and subscribe to the channel. This ensures we continue investigating the hidden gems the modern industry tries to get you to ignore. And tell us in the comments, what is your personal high-mileage legend? We finish our list with the most modern pick, the one that guarantees you long-term peace of mind and proves that you are a smart buyer who looks past old prejudices. The Kia Sportage SUV, specifically the 2016 through 2021 model years. Many experienced drivers in our audience hold the belief that older cars were simply made better. However, this generation of Sportage defies that, ranking highly in dependability scores right alongside the traditional Japanese legends. This is your answer to the fear of buying a disposable modern vehicle. This fourth-generation Sportage has received top dependability marks from J.D. Power, and owners have reported very few issues, making it a reliable compact SUV option that easily pushes past the 200,000-mile mark. It is a safe, high-value choice that allows you to buy new-era features without the headache of new-era mechanical failures, giving you a quiet, stable ride. The key components. To ensure maximum reliability and simplicity, look for the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine non-turbo paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission. This combination is known for being robust, avoiding the problems of more complicated turbocharged options. The small concerns. Although this generation is solid, routine maintenance is key, just like with any vehicle. You may find some minor issues with earlier models' infotainment systems, but mechanically, the 2.4-liter is sound. Being a high-ranking model, prices are slightly higher than older alternatives, but the lower mileage compensates for it. Expect prices ranging from $10,000 to $18,000 as of mid-2025, representing a smart investment in your future peace of mind. The video ends, but the hunt for longevity and the smart purchase continues. We hope this list has given you the certainty and peace of mind to avoid maintenance traps and the fear of wasting money. Remember, the best car isn't the newest. It's the one that lasts over 300,000 miles without becoming a financial nightmare. Now, the final decision is yours. Which of these secret legends would you hunt for first? Leave your comment below and help us build a community of buyers who value intelligence and tradition above marketing.